I have represented victims of car accidents with semis and other big trucks for over 35 years. These accidents could have been avoided. Each week, I will share a tip on how to make the roadways safer. These involve steps that need to be taken by semi drivers, car drivers, as well as trucking companies. This video is to truckers and those folks that are sharing roads with truckers. And the problem is, though, that my message is really directed to those people who abuse the rules. I mean, as a trucker, most truckers are responsible, caring, careful, professional drivers. Most of you who are watching this who happen to be truckers know that you're not going to drink alcohol within 4 hours of driving because the federal rules don't allow you to. Most of you that are truck drivers know that you have a lower standard of 0.04, so you're not going to risk drinking and getting behind the wheel of a truck. Most of you know there's significant dangers with impairment from drugs like meth or cocaine or other types of drugs that are stimulants or opiates, because you don't want to risk your own life nor the lives of others that you're sharing the roads with. The problem, though, is there are a certain percentage of drivers who drive impaired regularly. I have clients to this day, right today, that their families have been adversely affected by those people who decide to violate the rules and drive impaired. I have families right now where a husband was killed by somebody on meth and driving a semi-tractor trailer, speeding, driving aggressively in a construction zone, and he killed my client. I have other cases where a dump truck driver killed one person, paralyzed another, and then severely injured multiple people because he was on meth. And those people probably, number one, aren't watching this video, and number two, even if they were, they didn't care, and they're not going to do anything about it. So the truth is that we have to watch out for those truckers. If you see a trucker on the road driving erratically, then you need to get on the phone and call 911 and report them. If they have a number for the trucking company on the side of the truck, you need to call that number and report them. Typically, you can tell on the cases that I'm talking about, the ones that I've seen, the driver was driving impaired well before the wreck. They were noticed well before the wreck. Sometimes I've had cases where they catch the person ahead of time, but not always. So if you see an erratic driving vehicle, semi, tractor trailer, dump truck, wrecker, then you need to assume that there might be some other issues going on there. And the last thing you want to do is be aggressive towards that person. You want to back off, give yourself space, and then try to report them. And then even if it's at night, you may want to flash your lights or do something to warn other people that are on the roads near to where you're at.